Can you introduce yourself?
Yeah.
Okay, you can introduce yourself. What is your name?
Macy.
What? Macy. Okay. Hado. Okay, Hado. Again. What's your name?
Macy.
Macy. What? Macy. Okay. Hado. Yay. Hi guys! Welcome to our channel. So for today's video, we are going to create a slime. So we bought this at Expression. So nagpabili talaga si Macy. Okay. So let's open it. Kasi excited na to si Macy i-open talaga. Kanina pa. And actually, this is for age 8 and above.
What?
But pwede naman siguro to kay Macy. So, may kasama na siyang slime glue, slime activator, ito, yung puti, tapos may glitter. Okay.
Yay! Open it!
Side.
Oh! I want to play here.
Okay.
First, and slime.
Wait lang, let's read muna how to how to make this. Okay. So, the instructions on how to make this slime is here. First is you're going to put the glue on the plastic container. And then after the glue, we will put the activator, this one. Hold on, Macy. Hold on, this one. And then the glitters. And then after that, simply mix the preferred glue and activator in a bowl until slime begins to form. Remove from bowl and knead. Okay. May functions siya. Stress relief toy, anxiety reducer, sensory play fun, art creation,
Here is!
school project, and then how to play this slime, Macy. Look, pinch it, smash it, twist it, pull it over and over, or make models. Just use your imagination freely with our fluffy slime. Oh, they have also, you can Google also or on YouTube for more funny ways to play with it. Okay, let's get started. Okay, let's do this.
I open it!
Ayan, here. Oh.
Yay!
Okay, I'll use the, para... Oh. Wait.
Yay!
Okay.
I got cheese.
Ooh, look at the color. It's nice.
Yeah. By the way, my head's blue is this.
Okay. So, finally, natupad din ang matagal ng wish ni Macy. Ang maggawa kami ng slime. So, yan.
I coming out. They're crying. Coming out.
Look, oh, little na lang yung kay Mommy. Oh.
Mine is big. I hard.
You can do it. That's what you want, diba?
Oh, look, come here.
Okay, I'm done.
Me.
Done.
I forget. I wait.
Okay, next that we're going to put is the glitters. Okay. I'll open it for you.
Okay.
Oh, wait.
Oh.
Okay, alright. Nice! Hold on, I cannot open it now. Alright. Ay, natapon.
Oh.
Yay! Okay, we're done with the glitters. And then, the last step is slime activator.
I
Hold
can
on.
open it.
You put it.
Like water.
Let's mix it na.
Okay, me. Ooh.
Ooh, nice.
Nice. Like, I can't wait. Like, woohoo, like poopy.
There we go. You mix it.
Okay, whoa. Whoa. Wait, like, ah, my finger. Glitter. Mommy, what?
Yeah, it's okay. Later, we will write it.
Leg. What?
It's
Woo! I know there.
wait, baby.
Oh.
Halumagad kasi ng daan.
What's here?
Macy.
Hi. Like I keep it. Oh wow, this is the glitter. We are slimy.
I
Whoa.
think this is good. Here's the slime. The slime.
Yeah, you kick off. Kick off. Okay, kick off.
Slime of Macy. The slime of Macy.
I only want here. My hands! My hands, mommy! Stop. Mommy, super long. Ooh. My finger!
Oh no.
My finger!
Give me. Let's put it back.
Okay, I will play that. Eee,
What's that?
slime. That's sticky.
Dito lang.
Need that.
Hold on, hold on.
Let's go. Let's go.
Ayan.
Ah!
Yay.
So sticky. Wow. Ayan, creamy. My head!
So, here's the slime now. Ayan. Mas okay na siya compare kanina.
I'm making nose. Yippee. Ah! Evil, sleeping shiny. Touch my nose.
Wow.
Oh, Macy.
Thank you. Well, we add more.
No, it's done na.
Whoa.
Ay,
Yay! Nagawa namin yung slime ni Macy using this one only. So, yay! Macy is now happy. Thanks again for watching this video. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye. Say bye. Bye-bye. Yeah.
Bye-bye.
say bye-bye.
Bye.
You while holding that.
Like poopy. Like poopy. Like a poopy.